Good afternoon everybody, Colin here with iHopeReviews.com, and this is a video I've been meaning to do for a while. It's how my gaming setup works and how I play on my monitor and through my Xbox One and all that. I'm just going to show you how I have it set up, and actually I have it set up kind of like two different ways. You can use it either way. And my gaming setup stuff is right here next to my monitor. My monitors are over there, and this is right here. But what this is my Xbox One, or my Xbox 360 I mean, is hooked up via HDMI to the HDMI in port on my Xbox One, which is used for the TV application on the Xbox, where you can watch your TV and stuff if you do that. But you can also hook a gaming console up to it. So I have my Xbox 360 hooked up via HDMI, and that's all that has to be hooked up, nothing else. And then what you do is you turn your Xbox One on, you change the input on your monitor or your TV, in my case my monitor. Now my Xbox One does go through my Elgato Game Capture HD, which is under my desk, so I'm not going to show it to you, but it goes HDMI out from my Xbox One to the Game Capture HD. And then my Game Capture HD is plugged into my monitor, and I can have the software open or closed, it doesn't matter. If I'm not recording, I don't open the software, I just turn it on normally, and everything works, as long as the Elgato is being powered by my computer, which always is, because my computer is usually always on. My Xbox One is hooked up to my Turtle Beaches right here, or my Turtle Beach receiver I mean, via optical audio. And so the sound from the Xbox 360 goes through HDMI to the Xbox One, and then from the Xbox One goes optical audio out to the Turtle Beach receiver, or I guess that's the transmitter technically, the Turtle Beach transmitter. It goes optical audio into there, and then as you can see right here, there's a second optical audio cable coming out the back. That goes down to the optical audio in port on my Mac Pro, and I actually have a application called Line In. If you look up on my channel how to route audio through your computer, you will see a video of that application. But the software is called Line In. You can take audio from any source coming into your computer and select a source you want it to go out of your computer. In my case, the built-in speaker on my Mac Pro, or the speakers or headphones that are plugged up to my Mac Pro. So this way, if I'm, sorry, the camera keeps looking crooked here, but that way, if I'm playing a game on my Xbox One, since I don't have the Turtle Beach adapter yet for the Xbox One controller, because I can't use this one. I use that to have the sound coming out of my Mac Pro, and I use the Xbox One headset to talk if I want to talk to people. Now, since the audio does go in from my Xbox One to my Turtle Beach transmitter, since that's for game audio and sound from your Xbox only, not the actual chat sound, that part does work. So I actually will use my Call of Duty headset, which is right here, or Turtle Beach Call of Duty headset, which is right here, and I can listen to the game audio that way if I don't want to talk to people, because obviously I can't have two headsets on at once. And I use this when I'm playing Xbox 360, or I can do it the other way as well, and I can also use this for chat on the 360. Because that's what it was made for. And that's how my gaming setup works. And then it just goes from my Xbox One to my monitor, and whatever's plugged into the HDMI port of my Xbox One will come up on my monitor, so I can switch back and forth between talking to people on Xbox One or talking to people on Xbox 360 while I'm playing Xbox One. It's a lot easier this way than having to unplug and plug, you know, consoles and stuff like that. They're all plugged in together, and you can just do it that way. So that's how you can get your Xbox 360 on your Xbox One, and that's how I do it. That's how I have mine set up. The only thing to note is there is a teeny tiny little bit of lag between what you're doing on your Xbox 360 when it actually comes out of your one on your monitor. So there's a tiny bit of lag, but once you play for a couple minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, you pretty much won't even notice it. So it's not really a big deal. It doesn't affect the game at all. Once you get used to it, you don't even notice it anymore. It's probably a second to less than a second of lag. But when you're driving in GTA, you do notice it for the first couple of turns you do and stuff like that. But that's how I have my gaming set up. That's how it works. This has been Colin with Apple Reviews. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.